Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for oil. So UK oil Brent Crude versus the US dollar. The date is May 3rd, 2020. It's 11:13 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to stay up to date with all our reviews, make sure you click that red subscribe button. So this is the daily chart for oil. We've been looking a lot at weekly, and that really shows the multi-year trend. But let's go ahead and look at our intra-week, intra-daily trends to get a better analysis of what's going on. So here we can see, if we break it down to the daily, that oil is really in this giant descending trend channel. We've got one touch, two touches, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch the bottom. So now, though, it looks, even though we are in the bottom of this channel, unlike here, if we look back to 2018, we saw this bounce, prices level up, and then go ahead and touch the top of the channel. Right now, we're still looking pretty bearish. So if we zoom in, we look at Friday's action. Let me reframe this. There we go. The body of the candle closed below the fast-moving average. And it looks like, if we just look at this near-term, short-term resistance, we can see that price came up and touched it, but then, that's your short-term rally, and the next big sell-off could be potentially approaching. So if we map that out, we see right about there, we've got near-term resistance, right? See price couldn't go through here. Had our big first rally here, then the sell-off ensued, and now this rally is nowhere near as high as this one, which means, hey, lower highs, it's a sell, downtrend continues. So now I'm going to be looking for that retest of the $20 low. The only thing that would change my sentiment is if price moved above $30 then per barrel, then we could see the test of the $39 per barrel instance. So that'd be the first event that would need to happen. So the good news is that for a trader, okay, I'm in at $26.50 per barrel, per position, and I put my stops above, let's say, $30.50. So it's a $4 loss per position, which you have to take a risk at some point, and that's really not that bad. That's a short term. It's keeping your losses really tight, just in case it go up, because then you could get another sell. This makes some great resistance here with the $39 to $40 barrel. But if price even got that high, so the other option is to wait and see, right? Wait and see if you're not sure when to get in for your entry point, and then you want to see what tomorrow's daily candle did. But if tomorrow's candle, right, if that's a sell, if it's a bear, it doesn't eclipse the body of the previous day's candle in a bullish fashion, then it's a sell, right? Or if you're still holding, get out. Our next test for $20 low. Then we've got the extreme low here at about $16 per barrel. So the reason I call out 20 is if you draw a line at $20 a barrel, you're going to also see some, it's kind of like where the last bounce really bottomed out, right? You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days where the candles closed above the $20 per barrel mark, or right about there, and then boom, took back off. So really that needs to be broken before we can think about $16 or lower. Short-term stops at 30, long-term stops at $40. If we saw another big kick up, by this trend channel, right? Let's just say for whatever reason, oil rebounds and starts going the opposite direction, going up. So make sure your stops are short, because then you're out, and then you can flip your position. But looking at this multi-year trend channel, even if it's just the last few years, we can see the top, even if it were to be a rebound, would probably be around this $48 per barrel mark, right? Even if it kind of zigzagged. Prices rarely ever move in straight lines, so it would, especially with the long, creep over here, move through this resistance, and then eventually be eclipsed. $48, $50 per barrel tops. But right now we're still looking pretty bearish, with more tests at the bottom of the head. All right, everyone, have a great week. I hope you make lots of cash trading. Take it easy.